Hi, this is Dr. Ray Milazzo, the Chiropractic Wellness Center, and we're here with this week's newspaper. Johnson & Johnson has to pay $2.2 billion because they were marketing their drug Resveratrol, which was an antipsychotic drug. And not only were they marketing it, but they were recommending that seniors with anxiety take it and children with learning disabilities take it. And so some of the pharmaceutical tricks up to their old tricks as far as trying to get more and more people to take their drugs because for profit over health. And too often this becomes the case. Melanie Peterson, in her bestseller Our Daily Meds from 2008, describes many tricks that the pharmaceutical industry plays to try to get the American public to take more of their drugs. As a matter of fact, it is working because the American people are the #1 drug consumers in the world. I gave this book to a patient of mine whose father-in-law was taking one of the drugs listed in this book, and by giving him this book, he said it saved his father-in-law's life because his father-in-law was having such severe reactions to Detrol, which was a drug given for people with overactive bladders, that he would pretty much sleep all day. Now, other people taking Detrol would get hallucinations and other side effects, so this is a problem. Not that the drugs, all drugs have side effects, and our American people, especially people over 50, over 60, are being asked to take 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 8 and 12 different combinations of pharmaceuticals. And this might be good for the pharmaceutical bottom line, but it's not good for your health. So one of the warnings as far as going through life is try to take as few drugs as you can. It's great that these drugs exist, the antibiotics for infections and things that save people's lives, but less is more with drugs. Oliver Wendell Holmes said 100 years ago that if we took all the drugs and dumped them into the sea, the fish would be a lot sicker and we'd be a lot healthier. And I think in chiropractic, being the world's largest drugless healing profession, we're always urging people to try to heal naturally, get their bodies working properly. And when your bodies work properly, when we get it functioning properly with chiropractic, you can take far less drugs in your life. As a matter of fact, your body will produce every drug that you need if it's working properly. And the goal of chiropractic is to get your body working properly. So, another reason to go see your chiropractor and to cut down on that pharmaceutical bill. This is Dr. Ray Milazzo from the Chiropractic Wellness Center, and we look forward to talking to you next week.